Hey guys, my name is Natasha Nefale. If you're seeing me for the very first time, please click the little red box somewhere down here so you subscribe and join my beautiful family because we cute, we nice, and we just living life over here. If you're coming back for the second time, thank you so much for stopping back. Bye. I hope you're good. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so today what we're doing is we're filming this makeup look. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this orange shimmer cut crease look. It's really not that difficult. This is the type of thing that you're into. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and continue watching, baby. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera because I genuinely I'm still practicing how to do my eyebrows. Okay, right now, so I'm gonna go through with my concealer from Wet n Wild just to prime the top of my eyelids so that when I put eyeshadow, when I put eyeshadow, it obviously brings out that pigmentation, that pigment, and you know, the colors pop basically. I'm gonna prime my face with the Baby Skin Instant Primer from Maybelline. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I am going to blend out that concealer. If you guys can hear a sound in the background, that's my fan. It's really hot in Pretoria, so I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. The palettes that I'll be using today are the one from Switch Beauty. This is the Slay for Days, and then the Revolution palette. It's the Forever Flawless. Yeah, I bought this one at Clicks and I bought this one online on the Switch Beauty website. This is how the palette looks inside. I usually go in with like a brown just to neutralize my lid, so I'm gonna use this brown and just blend it all over the lid of my eye and just blend it outwards. So I'm gonna do that. I should have actually started with it, but it's fine. I'm gonna use this orange and just blend it out on top. This bright orange, I'm just gonna blend it out on top. I'm gonna use this orange to put on top of my cut crease. Make sure that the cut crease is nice and dry. Grab and then drag, so you drag it. Okay, so I did the same thing to the other eye, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in palettes and use this. It's Tandy in the Slays for Days palette, and it's really just like a dark brown. As you can see, it's like a dark brown. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. Go in with like a fluffy brush, take some of that product, and then put it in the inner corners of my eye, just so it pops a bit, you know. Now the cut crease is popping. use my foundation from Rimmel. It's my absolute fave. So I just go in with lines on my skin. Don't forget to go into your neck, and I'm gonna blend that out. I first start off with my brush and I dab it into my skin, and then after I use my brush, because I don't really have a foundation brush, this is I use this for contour, but I don't have a foundation brush, and I like to first dab in the foundation into my skin. Dab. Make sure to blend that in. Okay. There's foundation all over my dupe, but it's fine. Now I'm gonna go in again with my concealer from Wet n Wild, and I am going to highlight. Highlight underneath your eyes because it just gives it that pop, you know, and it makes it sort of lifts your face. Sorry, it sort of lifts your face, and it, you know, it gives you a nice, you know, highlight. I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes your face look brighter, so it makes you look more awake. Then I use my primer. Make that set. This is my primer from Rimmel. You can also use it as a setting powder, but I use it as a primer. I use it as both actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend. So when you wanna blend, you wanna look up so you get the inner parts, these parts of your eyes. So I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna blend. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild powder to set my concealer. Just before you put it, just make sure to just dab, because it might be creasing. I'm not baking, I'm setting. I look up and then I put the sit for a while. I'm gonna go in with like a slanted brush. You can use any type of brush, to be quite honest. I'm gonna go in with my palette. This is my contour palette. It's almost done. My contour palette from Foschini. I'm gonna use this color and this color. Use a color that's more close to your skin tone, and I'm gonna use that to sway off that setting powder like that. I'm gonna use my setting spray. Spray my face so that my natural color comes out just a bit. Oh, this wig is giving me a luster. And I'm gonna go like that. Okay, now I want to bring in some warmth into my face. So I'm gonna go in with this brown and this brown to contour my face. Some people use bronzer. I use contour because. So you wanna contour right there. You wanna contour upwards. Okay. Shape my face with the powder, so I'm just gonna contour it so it peaks even more, you know. Girl. This pink to add on some blush to my cheeks. Eyebrow pencil. And what I'm gonna do is I just put a little bit of concealer, blend it out, blend the outside, blend out the top, blend out the top, and I'm gonna go in with a nude lipstick. Phenomenal. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my gel for my eyebrows from Essence. I look now my face looks so it's up, it's lifted. I just need to fix my hair, darling, put on a cute fit, and I'm good to go. Oh, before I finish off, I'm going to take the orange again and put it at the bottom of my eyelid. I like to go in with my eyeliner and create the dots that I have on my face. So I have a dot over there and I have a dot over here. So, and just like that, I'm done. Let me just finish off the look. Okay, so I'll be right back. How cute do I look? So cute, Courtney. So cute. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. It came out amazing. I definitely would go out like this, or like sunset vibes. Yeah. So yeah, if you liked this look, please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Yeah, it was really fun shooting this video. I'm gonna shoot more makeup videos in the future, have more intense makeup videos, talk less. I'm really excited for 2022. I feel like this YouTube channel is just gonna bring out my personality. I'm gonna try not to be intense, just try have more fun. 2022 is looking good, it's looking bright. I'm really excited. There's a lot of videos that I'm going to be putting out with my friends, with my family, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like the video again, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I love you guys so much for watching.